What up guys, Danny from Life.atv here, and today we're bringing you a new vid. It is finally nice out here in Minnesota, and we're gonna go out to Cody's and ride. And we're also gonna tell you why we actually didn't ride that much this winter. That has something to do with Cody. See you there. Yo, Cole, what's up, dude?
What's going on, guys?
So, we're here at the Lau compound, and the question people are wondering is, why haven't we been riding, dude?
Well, it's pretty obvious. The
Yeah.
old foot's banged up a little bit here.
Tell them what's going on, Cody. So yeah, actually, earlier in the year, Cody actually had a procedure done to the good leg right there.
Yep. And that one video we actually did do in the winter was when I was actually okay.
Between
but then I rushed to
surgeries.
get this one done, so I was good for riding season.
So you got something fucked up with your heel, right? Or something along those lines?
Yep.
Where if Cody stands for a long time or just, you know, puts a lot of stress on his foot, it ends up hurting him a lot. Cody hasn't been riding, or even in that break period we haven't been riding. Cody's quad actually needs a battery.
Ain't really in no rush to put it in right now because
yeah, that's actually his shifting leg too.
Shifting
so
leg is messed up.
She's a little dirty and stuff right now, but all it honestly needs is a pull start, and she'd be able to ride.
She'd ride around.
Yeah, she'd honestly ride right now. It's just he can't. So
gotta take the good old Kawasaki.
So we're looking when the old man gets home and going for a ride, kind of just checking out the trails and stuff when he gets home, and just seeing, you know, if they're swamped or not. We should be able to make it everywhere right now. What do you think? Snow's pretty much all gone.
I haven't been on the cabin or anything like that yet, but we made it through those woods a few days ago.
We'll check it out though, guys. All right.
And the crazy thing is, you know what I was thinking? With this leg, 90% of our quads are shifting quads when you really think about it.
Literally 90%. Like even the 4x4's, if you look over here, the Wolverine, it's a fucking manual right
so,
there.
like, this is literally the only one I could ride right now.
Yeah, this is like, I mean, his grandpa has a Gator, like last resort we could do. But this old puppy, the good old Kawasaki, has over 7,500 miles. So if she were to just shit out today, it'd be bad.
You got mad respect, though.
Mad respect. Like, look, even the plow's still hooked up to it.
No, it's not.
Oh, no, it's not. Oh, my bad. Well, like, literally 2 months ago, we had a huge snowstorm, so that would be understandable.
Beautiful day today. Go out and do some ripping.
Fuck yeah.
Put her on, pal. Broken ankle gonna slow me down, boys. Broken ankle gonna slow me down. Broken ankle ain't gonna slow me down. I think, Danny boy. She won't start, I don't think. I gotta fuck with my goddamn. I busted this freaking line off too. Come on, baby. It's this one. This one's fucking broke off here. That probably won't be going. Danny boy probably won't be going.
You didn't do this before? Oh.
She's still in here?
You can so do it. Go to get your phone out. Easy! I don't know if I can try that. I don't think I can try that. It's stuck! Am I bottomed out? Fuck!
Get off and open up.
Thought I could carry enough speed.
Aren't you? Yeah, you made it.
Made the first time through. No 4x4 life. 800 would have made it through there. Huh? I wasn't in love with it. Going stranded. Raptor could have made it. It was a little too soft on the throttle. Cole's been sending her on one leg today, though. Hasn't been shy. Walmart gas.
Take me out, pal. Take me out, buddy. Yeah, we saved the day again.
You had to know it was going to happen, though, at least once, right?
Makes it fun.
It's got no four-wheel drive. How's it feel? Kind of feels like the Grizzly to me. Feels like the Grizzly, kind of.
She's tall.